Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to tell you or show you the benefits of using your stimulus to pay off your mortgage. Now, for those of you who have this option of receiving the stimulus and asking yourself, well, I have this money, I don't necessarily need it to get through the month, you might want to consider paying off a little bit of your mortgage. And I'm gonna illustrate how much of an impact these payments can make. Now, in this illustration, I'm just going to use a simple round number illustration. You're looking at a $200,000 mortgage at 30 years at a 4.5%. This is a standard one. I'm going to leave the link on the description below. If you want to use a calculator for your personal one, this is just a standard one. If you were to use this base, you're looking at paying, after 30 years, you're looking at paying over $164,000 in interest. So I have a spreadsheet where it illustrates that. No extra payments. This is the amount of interest that is going to be paid. All right. So let's assume, let me just look over the spreadsheet real quick. This will illustrate here, if you are a single person who just got the $1,400, just one person, this would be the illustration for one. This would be for two. This would be for one child, two children, and three children, if you're lucky enough to get that much in return. All right. So let's assume we make a one-time payment. You get your stimulus, and instead of spending it on Bitcoin, you go ahead and you invest it in your own mortgage to try to pay that off a little bit sooner. When we recalculate, you notice that it drops. Now, just to save a little bit of time, I have already pre-filled these, so I will just go ahead and give you the numbers so that we can get straight to the point. All right. So if you notice over here, it says that my total interest would be $160,000. Okay. So that is what we're seeing here. A total savings of over $3,900. And this number here reflects the $3,900 minus the $1,400 that you invested. So at the end of the day, after investing $1,400, you're still saving $2,500 on the life of the loan. So you kind of close to doubled your investment right there. Let's assume you have you're gonna use this for the $2,800 that you received. If you're in that category, you end up saving or only paying $157,000 in interest. Your total savings would be over $7,700. Even after minusing the $2,800 that you invested, you still end up saving almost $5,000 out of the $2,800 that you invested into your own mortgage. And the same thing goes for the married couple with one child. You'll end up saving over $11,000 total in interest. And after deductions of the investment on your part, you still end up saving over $7,200 there. Let's assume you have two children and you decide to do this for two children. You end up saving over $9,400 of pure savings after investing the $5,600. And let's say you have the three children and you have no need for the for using that money right now. You end up saving over $11,000 after deducting the $7,000, because you truly actually saved over $18,000. But after deducting the $7,000 that you originally invested, you still end up saving over $11,000. Now, not only does this reduce the amount of interest that you pay towards your mortgage, but it also reduces the time. So it's an added benefit. Both ways you help yourself with not paying as much interest and also saving time. All right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below. But once again, this is one way to stimulate your future economy by paying off your mortgage using your stimulus checks.